Oh, of all the money that e'er I spend it in good company, and all the harm that e'er I've done, alas, it was to none but me. And all I've done for want of wit to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. Of all the comrades that e'er I've had, they are sorry for my going away. And all the sweethearts that e'er I've had, they wish me one more day to stay. But since it calls unto my lot that I should rise and you should not, I'll gently rise and softly call, good night.